Hi everyone, I am Teacher Michelle and welcome to another episode of Unang Math. In this episode, I will be discussing the second part of this lesson, special products, and this is about the difference of squares. Difference of squares is in this basic form, a plus b times this expression a minus b. So this is equal to a squared minus b squared. This is the difference of squares. So how did we get a squared minus b squared? We already studied that in this kind of expressions, we can expand these expressions using the distributive property. So using the distributive property, then this is a squared minus ab plus ba minus b squared. And if we will simplify, this will be canceled. So we have here a squared minus b squared. So difference of squares. So the pattern here is we have here same numbers or same variables with different signs. Okay, we will be using these concepts to expand these following expressions. The first expression here is x plus 1 times this expression x minus 1. So this is difference of squares because we have here same variable, same numbers with different signs. So if this is difference of squares, then it means this is equal to x squared minus 1 squared, or we can just write 1. So x squared minus 1. Okay, for number 2, a plus 2 times a minus 2. So same variables, same numbers with different signs. So this is also difference of squares. So this is then equal to a squared minus 2 squared, or that's equal to 4. So a squared minus 4. For number 3, x plus 3 times x minus 3. Same variable, same numbers with different signs. So this is difference of squares. This is then equal to x squared minus 3 squared, or that's equal to 9. So x squared minus 9. And for this last given here, this is also difference of squares. So this is then equal to a squared minus 4 squared, or 16. So this is a squared minus 16. Okay, now, we are going to answer this simple problem. Which of the following has the same expansion as a plus b times this expression a minus b? We already know a plus b times a minus b. This is the basic form of difference of squares. And we know that this is equal to a squared minus b squared. So we are going to find the same expansion like this. So if we will expand these given here, we should get the same a squared minus b squared. So how are we going to do that? Are we going to use distributive property in each given? Okay, we are not going to use the distributive property because it's going to take us too long if we will do that. So to get or to find out which of the following has the same expansion as this one, what we're going to do here is we will check the sign of each number or variable. So in here, this is positive and this is also positive. Positive, positive, or negative, negative. The point here is the sign did not change. So positive, positive, or negative, negative, the sign did not change. So if we're going to check the options here, positive, positive did not change. So this is a possible answer. What about here? Positive and this is negative. Sign changes. So that means this is wrong. Positive and this is negative. So it changes. Then we cannot consider this as an answer. Here is negative and this is positive. Sign changes also. So this is not the answer. What about for number 5? Negative and this is negative. It did not change. So we can consider this as an answer. Okay, what about these B or these variables or these numbers? In here, this is positive. This is negative. Okay, the point here is the sign changes. So, for number 1, this is negative, this is negative. It means it did not change. So, this is not the answer we're looking for. For number 5, positive, and this is negative, sign changes. So, it means this is also equal to a squared minus b squared. So, this is our answer. Okay, how about this problem? We will expand x minus 1 times x plus 1 times x squared plus 1. The operation between here is multiplication. We are not going to use the distributive property in expanding these expressions. Okay, what we will do here is, if you're trying to look at these expressions, x minus 1 times x plus 1, this is difference of squares because we have here same numbers with different signs. So it means this is equal to x squared minus 1 squared or x squared minus 1. And then now, we are going to multiply this to x squared plus 1. And this is also difference of squares we have here. Same variable, same number with different signs. So it means this is equal to x squared raised to the power of 2 minus 1 squared, or we can just write the ones. So it means this is x raised to the power of 4 minus 1.